Hello friend. So in the last video we create a method move piece, right? And we tested in our test case using a test case here. Test move piece. Okay. To be consistent with this one, let's use. Oh, since this is the name of our function, so yeah, just leave there. I thought we could change it to test the moving piece, but this one is better. Now, can we try it right in the app like that from here? Okay, now let's put it here and let's close this one. Okay, so can we call this method, right? Move piece to move this guy, right, from 1 1 to this time. Let's do 1 3. Okay, so where can we call it? We can go to the view controller and yeah, after we initialize the board, right, and we can call chessboard dot move piece from, right, like I said, column 1 row 1 to column 1 row 3, right? Let's see. Okay, click here to rerun it. Yes, it works. You see? Cool, right? Now in this video let's investigate our mouse events. Okay, so let's go to here, the board view, and under the draw, let's put our code here. Okay, so maybe let's try mouse down first. Okay, so mouse down here. Okay, so how can we get the location of our mouse? Let's see. Let like mouse location, like that, equals event dot, is there a location in window? Location in window. Okay, let's print out. Okay, print out mouse location, and let's test it. So run it, and click here. Is is 20 something. Okay, so let's click here, right, the bottom left. Oh, and yeah, it seems so better to get, it's better to get the mouse location in this view, right? When we click here, yeah, it reports the coordinates based on the window. So we want to get the relative, right, coordinates in our view, in our board view. Yeah, so there's an easy way to do that, and we can convert like that. We can convert this mouse location to our local location. Okay, so we can convert a point mouse location from what, near. Okay, now this location is what we need. Let's try it. Print lock, like that, rerun it. So now when we click here, it should be near, yeah, a small number, right? Yeah, like that. This is what we need. Okay, great. So now the next thing is we want to, for example, if we want to click anywhere on the board, right? We want to detect the logical coordinates. For example, this one, within this area, we need to get 1, column 1, and row 2, right? How can we do that? Okay, so we can simplify this first. So location, let's just put this guy here, and then we can get rid of that. So this is the screen location or coordinates, right? So let's see, let's do some mathematics, right? So for example, how can we get the integers, right, out of, like, within this range? Within this range we should get the 0. Okay, did you get it? That this is column integer. It should be our location dot x divided by 8. Is it? Oh, no, divided by our cell side, right? So if it's here, there's no, is 0 cell side, right? And what does it complain? Cannot convert CG float to int. Okay, yeah, let's fix that. Let's try this first, so you can get a feeling of that. So print like a column. Okay, let's try it. We don't need this. Run it. Now let's click anywhere, right, in column 0, like here. We get that, right? And here, you see, it's very close to 1, right? So if we drop the decimal number, we get 0. That's what we need, right? Column 0. Okay, now let's try the second column, 1.15. Here, 1.8, right? So obviously, if we drop the fraction part, right, we get what we need. So now let's go back to put it here in and wait for a few seconds. Yeah, auto fix will do what we need, right? Convert the CG float result by dropping the decimal part, the fraction part. Now if we run it, we can get a clean, yeah, anywhere here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, right? Here, 7. Very good. So this is our column, and we can do the same thing to get our row. Okay, like that. Row equals location dot y divided by cell size, same thing, and weight. Now fix, so we can print out both column and row in a good format, like that. Right, and that row. Let's try it. So here near the middle, this should be 3, 3, right? Yes. This should be 4, 4, right? Yes, okay, it works. Now mouse down. What about mouse up? Mouse up with event. Okay, so we'll do the same thing here. Now, okay, so let's see, we can put a from here when we press down, and then we can drag, right, our mouse to here. Let's see, run it. So say we drag this guy from here to here, okay, drag, release from 0 1 to 0 2. Okay, let's try another one like this night. Okay, let's drag this guy from here to here. It will be 6 0 to 7 2, right? 6 0 to 7 2. Cool. Okay, the next challenge is we need to get this from information at this moment when the mouse is up. But after, right, this event is triggered, this information is gone. Can we print out something like that, or print from somewhere, right, to somewhere? Can we print this information here? How can we do that? Okay, we have to use like a variable to memorize, right, this information here. So that's defined here. Var from column int. Let's use from column. Let's use this. Okay, so initially it will be new. From row. Yeah, it's new. Is it convenient? Then after that we need to check. Okay, so if we can use this also to keep it a little bit simpler. Maybe it's not the best coding practice, but we'll see. So now we can replace this right here from that, from column, from row, like that. So never mind, we just memorize this information. Then at this moment, right, we can print out from column. Oh, we will use the same format like that. From row, from a point to a point. That's right. Run it. Yeah, we'll try this same thing again. The night. Oh, I missed the closing parentheses like that. So actually it's 60 to 7 to 72. Yes, it's correct. Run it. Now let's try this guy. Oh, let's try a black one. So here will be column 1, row 7, right? So 1 7 to here 0 5. Let's do it. 1 7. Sorry for that, I put it in the wrong place again, and put it back. 1 7 to 0 5. Here, this night, black night, 1 7 to 05. Yeah, I just drag that. Okay, cool. So this information can be used to move the piece, right? Okay. Yeah, very good. So we can investigate another thing a little bit, like mouseDragged, like that. So can we print out the information about that? Let's see. Yeah, let's copy this one here. mouseDragged. Can we like figure out? So we don't need that. We just care about it, right? And okay, so run it. Let's see if this method will be triggered multiple times every second. Let's see. Okay, so say we are dragged from here to here. Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry, this doesn't help. So we need to get we want to print out this thing. Yeah, actually it's not column row. We just want this and that, right? This is used for other purposes. Now run it. But at least we can see, right? The method is called multiple times. So let's make it bigger. This one. Now again. So I'll drag from here to here, okay? Turn. So if from 7 point something, 3 point something, yeah, it seems it's correct. So is it like diagonally? Yeah, almost, right? 178 point something to 180 something. Very good. So using this information later, we can use those mouse information, right? Location. Well, maybe we can drag our pieces around. Okay, cool. So that's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.